Boosting the efficiency, longevity and outlook of your vehicle doesn't lie on the type of fuel you make use of or even the work that is carried out on your vehicle's body or engine, but one of the major ways of extending your vehicle's lifespan is by offering it constant services. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car duster. So let's get started. Number 5. California Car Duster 62442. There are people who often desire to make use of dusters with a traditional shape, and if you are that kind of person, then this is just the ideal product for you. And what makes this duster very traditional is the fact that it comes with a wooden handle, while its mop head is made out of high quality and premium cotton material. This same cotton head is treated using paraffin wax, and this contributes to why this duster is effectively in eliminating dust. Unlike other low-quality dusters that just move dust around, you can trust this product to effectively get rid of them. While one other interesting aspect of this duster is its large dusting surface, as well as a guarantee that this car duster would not scratch your car exterior surfaces. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Relentless Drive Car Duster. The next product that we want to look at is the Ultimate Car Duster, which is manufactured by Relentless Drive. This car duster has a steel handle with a long and extended design that makes sure you dust difficult to reach places in your vehicle. This car duster has a heavy-duty design, and this also ensures that lint and residue particles are not left behind. With this duster, you can trust that this duster will deliver an impressive and perfect finish. This is a premium quality car duster manufactured by the Prestige Auto Car Company, and this is one car duster that you would find very easy and comfortable to work with, as it comes with a stainless steel telescopic handle which makes it easy to clean up areas that are difficult to reach without having to bend or stretch. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Ultra Premium Car Duster. This is a premium quality car duster manufactured by the Prestige Auto Car Company, and this is one car duster that you would find very easy and comfortable to work with, as it comes with a stainless steel telescopic handle which makes it easy to clean up areas that are difficult to reach without having to bend or stretch. However, there are several other features that this duster possesses that makes it quite a favorite on the market. This car duster has a cylindrical head which also features electrostatic microfiber fingers that prevent snagging when trying to trap and collect dust, unlike other low-quality brands that just moves dirt around. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Relentless Drive Ultimate Dash Duster. If you specifically want a duster that you can trust in wiping off the dust from your dashboard, then you should look out for the Relentless Drive Ultimate Dash Duster. This is a duster that has the ideal size that makes it fit perfectly into a glove box. What this means is it is a handy product that would not take up much space for storage, and the combination of its 10-inch dusting head and chenille microfiber fingers makes sure dust off dirt effectively and quickly. While working with this car duster, you would enjoy a comfortable and secure grip, as well as being able to get into all corners and joints of your car to deliver a thorough and outstanding cleaning experience. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Happy Road Car Duster Car Brush Duster. If you want to get rid of dirt from your car without leaving behind any lint, then the Happy Road Premium Car Duster is the right choice for you, and just few swipes of this duster across your car exterior guarantees getting rid of dust or dirt without scratching your car paintwork. If you love to clean your vehicle yourself, then this car duster is simply the best tool that you can offer yourself. Having an extendable handle makes it very easy to clean up even the most difficult areas of your vehicle, and after making use of this cleaner, it can be stored conveniently as it wouldn't use up too much space for storage. Shaking this car duster occasionally is a good way of maintaining this car duster and keeping it in a good condition, while its anti-slip grip makes working with this car duster very comfortable. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best car duster just for you.